Today I'm going to talk about very important fact about eBay. We must pay attention towards the eBay performance metrics. If we check the eBay performance metrics on daily basis, this fact will lead us towards the facts, the defects, the issues we are committing. The new eBay sellers must pay attention towards the metrics because they will pay attention towards the high rate of dispatch, no late delivery, and no very low defect rate. If they will pay attention towards the metrics, then they will know that how the buyers are thinking about the seller. Let's suppose the buyers are giving negative feedback, then he will know about his performance and he definitely erase the issues which the seller is committing. And if he will pay attention towards the metrics, eBay performance metrics, I think so eBay performance metrics are the mirror in which the seller can see his face truly. And if he does not pay attention towards the metrics, then he definitely face the issues, and the issues will lead his minimum sales and even towards the suspensions or restrictions. Thank you.